Last week we were talking about lighting. This week we're talking about frame and angle, otherwise known as camera operation. We're not talking, however, yet about distractions. That's going to come next week. As your own camera operator, you need to be thinking about frame and angle. Let's start with angle. From the side might be really beautiful for your profile, but it also kind of looks like there's something more interesting going on than you're meeting. Looking into the camera from above looks even weirder. Looking up from underneath is getting a little better, but it's still not quite right. Pro tip, if you want to get rid of that double chin and people are taking pictures of you, this is the way to do it. To get the right angle, just make sure you're looking into your lens with your eyes at the same height. It also helps if you have your laptop folded a little bit toward you. If you need to, make sure that you have a stack of something you can prop up your laptop on. I've used a pile of sundoku, which is Japanese for books that you buy but don't read. I'm definitely going to read those though. Now let's look at framing. Framing is pretty simple. It's just for our purposes, the distance between your face and the lens. Too far away is kind of weird, and then maybe they can see that you're not wearing your business suit. Too close is even weirder. So let's follow the rule of thirds. Go to your webcam and look at the settings. There are some grids that will help you. I'm looking at the rule of thirds now. You want the bottom third line to gently rest on your shoulders, your chin to start in the middle third, and then your eyes to be where the top third starts. Simple. So camera operation really doesn't take much preparation at all, maybe just half a minute. Next week we're going to talk about what takes the most attention, which is your audio, particularly in two-way communications where other people are going to be talking and listening, and also how to deal with distraction, not just in and around your house like your cats, but also in the conversation itself.